Welcome viewers to another exciting episode of Stay Awesome Van Life. This week it is amazing. We have Noosa Heads Surfing Reserve. Not only the surfing reserve, Noosa Heads World Surfing Reserve. So all the things that come with the surfing culture will be depicted in this episode, and I'll show you how to park yourself right on the water at Noosa Heads with the most awesome view, the most awesome park, and the most awesome time you could ever have. It is absolutely amazing. If you want to stay cool and you want to have fun and you want to have fun in the sun, go to Noosa Heads. You're going to enjoy this episode. It's a blockbuster. When you go for a swim here, sometimes you don't just jump out into the water. You have to walk over all those slippery rocks. That's right. You might trip over now and again and get back up again. But it's all part of the fun. And the guys, you better wear blinkers on your sunglasses because you might get distracted. I think you will get distracted. But anyway, it's an awesome place. It is such a great place for van life that you have to really put this on your bucket list. I don't care if you're over in America or whatever, you get on a plane, you get here and you do the van life because we're waiting for you. The great thing about the Noosa National Park is you can go for a cool walk under the canopy during the day. Absolutely awesome walking trails. But I'm headed for some rock pools to cool off because of this heat wave. I'm going to lie down in the rock pool and then sit up and get some rays. Have a look at this. I haven't been able to get rid of this thong tan. I know the girls get a thong tan on their behind, and I've got a thong tan on my feet. So I have to sort of spend a bit more sun, get a bit more sun. And yeah, have a look at this. This is awesome. I'm just tanning my body up a bit because I don't want to get out there on the board and get absolutely fried. And I don't know if you've ever been really sunburnt to the point where you can feel stitching in the fibres, even if it's microfiber. You can feel it, and because your skin is burnt that bad. So I'm just going to give myself a little incremental toasting here, and then it'll be back to the van for a van shower. I've got 4 to choose from, remember.
3 van showers, 3 van showers, not 1, not 2, 3 van showers, 3 showers in the van, 3 showers. Not 1, not 2, 3 van showers.
There is a 4-hour parking limit in the car park. I never seen it being enforced, but it was free. Totally free. And so are the showers and toilets nearby. So you've got plenty to do. Here's the best dog you can have for a van. Silvertail. Silvertail is heat resistant. You don't have to feed Silvertail. Silvertail loves the heat. Silvertail actually gets quite hot in 50-degree heat, but Silvertail never dies. So if you want the best van for Best dog for a van. Here it is, Silver Tail. Oh, beautiful. Great dog, very faithful. So this is the best plant to have in a van. It's a cactus and it's made of plastic. The only thing that's annoying me is these bloody horse flies. They're 20 times the size of a fly, and they're biting me all the time, and when they nail you they just about draw blood. So even the flies are dangerous in Australia. This is the hard part. When you come up the rocks, you got to walk up like an ape because you don't want to slip over. And you can see with these two here, the guy seems to be going alright, but the girl's struggling a bit. She doesn't want to fall over, and she's being wise. More points of contact, less chance of falling over. But that's the bummer. And some of these rocks are slippery. You don't realise it. And he's been a good boyfriend. He's holding the hand, but really it's like you've got to be a rock climber. Literally. They're getting closer. That's the thing though. Getting better and better at climbing these rocks. And your feet, oh gee, I'll tell you, it's so easy to slip. It is really, really easy to slip. They've made it. They've made it up. There you go, success. Made it up without falling over.
Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey you, stay awesome. Gotta stay awesome with the van life. Hey, my name is Gary, and I'm the man with the freaking van. Got to stay awesome.
filming myself. Yeah, so anyway, I haven't taken the board out yet. I'll probably go off Noosa Beach. That'll be the way to go. It'll be, yeah, but this is paradise at the moment here. Absolute paradise. So I hope you're all enjoying the show. And yeah, here we got a guy coming through with his racing ski shortly. Coming across the screen. Hope you keep an eye on that, the racing ski. Hey? But I've got awesome footage here. I'm glad I got up early. So everyone's ready to hit the water. Here we go. That was it. Here we go. The guy on the racing ski. Here we go. So what did you think of the Noosa World Surfing Reserve? Leave a comment.